In this video, I'm going to work on putting the bearings in the engine case. I'll do a little bit of heating of the engine case, check the temperature with the IR temp gun. Gonna shoot for not more than a couple hundred degrees Fahrenheit. And then the bearings are in the freezer to help shrink them a little bit to help with the install in the cases. So this bearing with the integral seal goes in this location. Instead of using heat like I was planning to, I think I'm going to just try to press that in. Looks like these surfaces have been machined. It's still hot. Machined parallel, so I can put that on to support that on my press and be able to press that from the other side. So I'm going to give that a go instead of using heat, like I said. So I have all the bearings installed in the lower part of the engine case. Pressing this guy did work out pretty well. As you can see, it's got that integral seal. Hopefully somebody will find a current source for that thing. Anyway, now we'll move on to the rest of the assembly.